Hey, 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 hey! Caddyman is back from the makers and inventors of gluten-free recipes. Here's our fabulous new one. Gluten-free chocolate chip edible cookie dough. Did you hear me? Edible cookie dough. Who does not like to eat cookie dough? We have discovered a new recipe and Angie has made this and it is fabulous. I'm going to show you how to do it. Start out with my bowl here. I'm going to start out with a stick of butter, melt it, okay? And my cups here, I have a cup and a half of brown sugar. I have 1/4 of a cup of regular granulated sugar. I have 1/4 of a cup of milk, A2 might I add, and Old Mexico vanilla extract. This right here is 1 tablespoon. Ta-da! Okay. Here I go, mixing this up, just getting it going a little bit, okay? Now, in my other bowl here that I've already pre-made up, I have 2 cups of gluten-free flour and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So, what I'm going to do is gradually mix this in. I know. You're getting to see me do my thing here, guys. You know? My mother used to do things this way with the cup. She would use an old coffee cup to mix her stuff in. You know? Another thing that's happened in the last week or so, old Caddyman has gotten a new nickname. Would you believe that some of my fellow friends, I'm going to call them, have decided to start calling me Martha Stewart? Is that not a joke? She's older than me. She has a relationship and knows Snoop Dogg, which I don't know. But hey, I guess I'll take it because she's been pretty successful. And you know, I will say this, she sure likes to have fun with her recipes. You see how this is thickening up, folks? I'm going to cheat a little bit here. Dump the rest of that in. As it thickens up, and as I make a mess, as usual, it's fun. Look at that. Remember how you always used to sneak up to your mom while she was cooking and grab the cookie dough? Okay, look at that. See how that is mixed up? Gotten just like old-fashioned cookie dough. The reason why you couldn't eat that, because it had raw eggs in it. This has no raw eggs. It's edible. Edible. And it does have love, 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 love in it. Watch this. Ta-da! Good. There, I've got, you know what? I'm going to make this for my granddaughters, Lacey and Lizzie. The next time I see them, Papa and Nana are going to make this special for them. This is something you can do with your grandkids. Have some fun with it, and it's something that's gluten-free that you can eat. See you soon. Bye now.